Bantayan si Abbas. Magaling yan.
Abbas, dribbling. Pinasa, nakuha na number 25, pinasa kay number 30. Nakaw. Halina kayo dito mga kapatid.
Check foul. Biling. Traveling. Sa meron sa YouTube, meron din doon sa ano, sa basketball series na sa ano, Facebook. Oh. Sineshare ko. Sa anong account sa Facebook niya? Basketball series ang pangalan ng page. Traveling. Wala. Kinuha. Meron.
Oh, okay. Play.
Ay! Cob! Score na wala.
Boss, anong tawag? Wala? Okay.
Ah, hinugot sa loob. Hinugot sa loob. Oh!
Boss foul rep. 75. Second personal foul. 13 team foul. Substitution in number 19. Sandali lang, hindi lang nakasaksak yung TV natin. May nahugot. May nagdaang ipis. Malagayo. First try. No good. Mabigat na yung tuwa niya sa likod. Second attempt and free throw. Number 12, Malagayo. No good again. Oop. Lost ball by Orange. Dark blue. Ah, orange pala. Orange ball. Ayan na. Ayan na. Number 21, hindi dribble. Hinarap yan sa 12. Hinarap ni Abbas. Ayan na.
Nawala.
Abas!
Tatlong committee. Yung committee, kakampi sa Gray.
Diyak na pa.
Ha?
Yo. Go, baka lobat na speaker, saksak mo. Nice.
Oh, kulang yata ang tao ng Gray. Nagkakahaya pa.
Pass to number 12. Number 22, dribbling. Harassed by number 20. And the 3-point line. No good. Rebound by Chongson. Number 13, ang butas ng orange. Inasa kay 16. Abbas. Drive.
No good.
Ayan, nakago ng 20.
Sinundot na number 69. Oh! Oh, Jamol. Seryo, no. Orange. Orange ball, orange ball. Ah, kayo ng jumble kayo na. Orange. Oh. Orange, orange. Ayan, binaliktad na. Katulkid. Johnson, number 13, Abbas. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12.
Nag-dribble, pinasa kay Flores, number 19. Layups, no good. Rebound number 12. Shot, no good again. Rebound by number 20. Number 20, pass to number 13. Harassed by number 22. And get by number 69. And the free throw line. Shoot, number 2 points. Number 69.
All 8.
Forty-five seconds.
Counted.
Thirty-five seconds.
Seconds. 22, 3 points, no good. Abbas to number 20. 20. Nag-dribble.
Tinira na. Shoot again, number 20. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 9. Layups by number 12. Shot number 12. Shoot by number 12.
3, 2,
Number 2 pala. Rep. Oh! 2 seconds na pala raw. Ball game. And for third period.
foul ah.
Orange ball. Number 2 to number 30. Ayan na. Nagdi-dribble. Pinasa kanino? Kay Johnson. Johnson, 3-point line. No good. Rebound by number 7 of Dagray. Of Power Rep. Number 8 of Orange. Nice. Number 17 of dark gray Torn. Now number 25 shot by number 25 no good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 2000 number 13. Ayan na, nag-dribble na galing Luban. Tira, pinasa. Wala. Number 2 rebounds. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13 shoot by Johnson no good again. Torne. Guys, laksak na. Dinakdak. Tinapos lang ng konti. Ayan na ang 13. Number 13. Galit na galit. Ipinasa kay number 30. Nasundot na naman ng Darkley. Ayan. Home alone the realest. Number 7. No good. Wala. Yung nasip na tatlong try. Number 7.
Uy!
Pinasa. Sa wala.
Michael Johnson yan, di Michael Jordan.
Orange. Salvador, number 29.
Basketball series.
Dinerecho, shoot by number 25. Orange, number 13, exhibition pa. Number 13, pass to number 2. Number 8, carrying the ball. Ayan na. Anong decision, rep?
Let's play.
Thanks. Foul, number 29. Oops, up, rep. Oops, up, rep. Labas na, lalabas. Papasok, pumasok na.
Basketball series?
Oo.
Parang wala. May weso po yan. May nakalagay na weso? Wala. Ayan. Tapos, yan. Ito. Oo.
Thompson. Number 30. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 22. Harassed by number 30. Os last touch, rep. Orange ball, last touch. Number 22 of that game. Number 30, Johnson. Johnson, 3 points.
Bah!
Number 30, 3-point Johnson. Takbong Mayaman. Sub. Number 9 out. Number 20 in. Orange.
Yun!
Johnson.
Oh!
Pinasis 13, sumobra. Nakuha na 22. Single lang yan. 29. Yun, naagaw na. Fermin. Diretso. Pinasa number 7.
Counted.
Shoot na number 7. Oh, counted, rep.
Counted.
Substitution. Counted. Foul. First foul, rep. Ay, number 2. Number 7. The shot no good. First foul, rep. 7. Team foul of Orange. Orange ball.
Three seconds.
3 seconds in shaded area, number 7.
Awas tira!
10 seconds to shoot. Number 23 points, no good. Rebound by number 22. Ayan, hinaras ang dalawa. Pinasa na sa 25.
Counted.
Push foul, rep. 75. Number 75, third personal foul. Sub, number 75, out, 45 in. Warning for penalty ang Orange.
Uy! Sige, sa kabila. Good dyan. Nice. Counted.
Who's foul, ref? 7. Oh, penalty. Penalty na. Number 7, second personal foul.
Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Time out. Dark green.
Time out. Valier. Number 16. Okay, penalty. Ayek. Second free throw. Automatic na yan. Sa kabila ang bola. Coutinho.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Counted.
Penalty. Number 13, second personal foul. Orange penalty. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Last throw, number 22 of dark green. Shoot.
Paso, referee. Yun.
Last 1 minute. Ten seconds to shoot.
Uy.
Laking foul, number 10. Warning for penalty pa ang Dagway.
Five seconds to shoot. Ay,
Oh,
Suara shot by number 13.
30 seconds. Fifteen seconds.
isa pa.
Ten seconds to shoot.
Nasa obrahan sa shoot.
Yan.
5, 4,
3, 2,
1.
The playing coach. Huwag niyo papasahan ng
yung entry pa
bababayan. Baka hindi
mga
mabot.
dagdag. Hindi nga pares na pares.
First rebound of number 60, the playing coach.
Uy, putris. Uy, line.
Substitution, rep. Isa, kulang sa green. Kompleto,
Kompleto, kompleto. Yo.
Yan ang mga dugot sa ating mandurukot ng Patangkiako. Rebound again. Balintungan. Pinasa kay number 12. Number 2. Sobra ng bilang. Ayan na. Number 16. Nawala na ang bola. 45 ng orange na nagdadala ng bola. Ipinasa kay 75. Shot by number 7. 2 points.
Balik, balik.
Umobra! Sayang! Tumawa ka sa baw. Fermin. Shot by number 75. 2 points. Back to back. 2 points by Mr. Fermin. Harass by number 30. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Harass again by number 30.
10 seconds to shoot.
Looking for to the receiver. Number 2 drives. Referee. No fouled on the ground. 30. First team foul. First personal foul.
10 seconds.
Number 2, number 7 shot. No good. Rebound by number 2.
Foul.
Referee called by
Kapit na.
foul again by number
13.
30. 13. Third personal foul of number 13, second team foul.
Orange.
Orange ball.
Hindi makatinig eh.
Lost foul rep, number 19. Of
Substitution rep.
Pinalta na ang playing coach, wala kasi mag-play. Playing coach. Walang mag-limon. Number 13, pass to Permin. Permin shot, no good. Push, jump ball, okay. Dark gray ball. Ayan, inikot na. Number 22. Number 69. Harassed by number 13. Referee was calling
3 seconds.
3 seconds of dark green. Itlog. Vermin, number 75. Pass to number 13. 3-point shot by number 13, no good. And rebound by number 7, Mr. Bulabao. And pass to number 19. 19 pass to number 2. And touch by number 75. But number 7 still was kicking the ball by referee.
Kicking ball.
Mr. Fermin, number 75, inbound the ball. Pass to number 30. And number 30, Almocera dribbling and try to 3-point line. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, pass to number 7, Abulatao. Number 2. Pass to number 22, dribbling. Pass to number 19, 15 seconds to shoot. Shot by number 22, no good. And rebound by Mr. Bulatao, number 7, number 1, and loose foul rep or loose touch. Last touch.
Same ball.
Same ball. Number 19, pass to number 2, and the shot good by number 2. Shot by number 2 to the shaded 8. Score 30 and 27 by Orange. Permit, who's foul rep? Number 22, foul. Act of shooting by number 75, first throw. No good. Sayang. The second throw of Mr. Fermin. No good again.
Uy!
Rebound by himself. Drive, shoot. No good. And rebound Mr. Bulatao. Number 69. Pass to number 20. 20 dribbling. Harassed by number 13. Oh, fumble by number 22.
Nababaliktad doon.
Fermin, number 75. 45.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Shot by number 45. Nice shot by number 45.
Hindi na ako tingin.
Ayan na, naagaw na ni Abbas. Oh, na-steal pa rin ng 22. Pinasa ka number 2. Hinaharangan number 25. Sinusundot. Foul number
Substitution. Timeout. Orange.
Pass to number 2. Number 25. Pinira. Wala. Pinabayaan na. Orange ball. 20 inbound the ball. Pass to number 13. Number 13 nagdi-dribble. Pinasa sa number 45. 45 shot. No good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 13. Number 30 harassed by number 25. And 30, number 30 get the ball. Pass to number 45. And but lost the ball and who is get number 2 of the dark gray. Dark number 2. Referee harassed by number 45. Number 2 pass to number 25. 22 try to 3-point line. Shoot 3 points. Number 22. Number 30 of Orange. Pass to number 20. Harassed by number 22. Try drive in. No good. Foul. Who's foul rep? 22. Yan ang foul niyan. 22. Warning. Number 22. Number 22. Not number. Number 22. Hindi number 2. Number.
22.
Referee decision, number 22 foul, warning for graduate.
Yun lang, apat na.
Drive, first throw by number 20, no good. According to the referee in the shaded area, foul. And last throw by number 20. And number 20. Number 20 shot is shoot number 20. First foul rep, 30. Warning for penalty. 14 team foul. Second team foul of number 30. Second personal foul of number 30. 14th team foul of Orange. Number 2. Pass to number 25. And 25 drives in. No good. Lose ball the ball. Same ball. According to the referee, same ball. Test seconds to shoot. Number 10, pass to number 17, back to number 10, pass to number 2, shot by number 2, shoot by number 2. Number 20, rearing the ball, and rush by 17. Try to 3-point line, no good. Ayan na daw, sabi ng committee. Line ball by dark blue. Orange ball. Number 20 inbound the ball. Number 20. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Guard by number 10, Mr. Dunyo. Pass to number 20 of number 13. 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by who? Okay, last ball by number 45. Dark blue, dark green. Number 2, pass to number 25. Ayan na, hinaharangan ng number 20. Tinaray ni Agawan. And Jamal. Orange ball. Okay, time out.
Dark red.
3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in third quarter of the ball game. Inbound number 30. Number 30 pass to number 13. Harassed by number 17. Number 13, looking to the receiver. And try to the 3-point line. Wala sabi-sabi. Tumira. Wala. Number 7, rebound sa Orange. Rebound by number 10, 20. Rebound. No good again. Na-rebound number 70. Nangyari sa tatlo. Pinasa kay Mr. Bulataw. Number 7.
Oy, backward.
Violation by referee. Number 20, 3-point line, no good. Rebound by number 25. Number 20, pass to number 2. Back to number 25. Number 20, layup.
Uli!
Rebound by number 30. Orange ball.
Uli nga.
Uy, naagaw.
Ah!
Wala, Mr. Dunyo. Mr. Bulataw, getting the ball. Back to Mr. Dunyo. Mr. Dunyo shot. No good. Rebound by number 10 of Orange. Pass to number 20. And number 20. One man guy.
Counted.
Shot! What a shot by number 20. Shot by number 20. Galing naman. Tatlong tao. Hinarangan ng isa. Baliktad pala. Number 20. Bonus shot by number 20. What a shot. 3-point play by number 20. Command by number 30. Ops up, rep.
Sinta.
Okay, pasok na. Pasok na yung papasok. Lagpas yung palalabas. Galit yata yung pinalitan ah. Sino? Ano?
Wow.
Inalingan na. Ayan na. 33, 30. All 35. Pesa yung shoot, tira na nga. Rebound by number 7 of Orange. Dribbling by number 7. Nice steal, number 25 of dark gray, dark blue. Dinerecho by 25, nilayap, no good. Rebound by himself, no good again by Huspa rep. Tinawagan ng foul, tinasan down, pero number 30. Number 30, third personal foul. Penalty, Orange. First shot by number 25, no good. Last throw. No good again. Rebound by Mr. Bulataw. Bulataw ilalim. Wala. Uspa ulat na. Number 7. Number 7, third personal foul. 44 seconds in the third quarter. Mr. Bulataw shot. Nice shot by Mr. Bulataw. Second throw by Mr. Bulataw. No good. But rebound himself. Rebound and back in. No good. Mr. Dunyo, rebound. Final. Who's foul rep? Number 30. Number 30, warning for Broadway. Penalty. Substitution rep. Number 30. Mr. Dunyo. Ayan na. Inisinta. Wow! Nakashoot. Kung di ka nagpagupit, di ka makakashoot. Aba! Ay ginalingan talaga. Nabati lang ang gupit.
Uy!
Last 21 seconds. Lipit. Fifteen seconds to shoot. By an exhibition by Mr. Duño. Starts by number 75. 10 seconds to shoot. Binato. Wala. Foul rep. 3 seconds. Sino foul rep? 25. Ilan na? Third personal foul. 9 seconds. 9 seconds in the third quarter. Tinira na, layo! 4 seconds. The score! That grade, 38. Or orange ball. Oh, binaliktad na ha. Siya ba ang orange? Kayo, dito. Yan, kayo yan. Oh, yan. Oh, gray ball. Sorry. Oh, ito, yan o. Baliktad na ha. Oh, ayan na.
Traveling!
Ang moonwalk. No good. Bawa sayang. Rebound by number 20, Jack. No good. Number 21, Jack. Number 2. Dinerecho, talagang drive. What? Number 75, Fermin. Right layup. Shot by number Fermin. Whisper rep 7. Warning for graduate number 7. First personal foul of orange. Number 2. First one. No good. The second try. Good by number 2. All number. There. Dark green. Nakahuli ni Mr. Fermin. Layup. Nice steal and nice shot by Mr. Fermin. 41-39 in favor of Orange. Magaling mag-stats. Pinasa uli by number 20. Rattle. Substitution rep. Sub rep. Sige, pasok na ipapasok. Magaling ng laban, man-to-man na kaagad. Number 2, pass to number 22. Harassed by number 30. Pass to number 7. Back to number 22. And number 22, layup. Shot by number 22. 2 points by number 22 of Gray. Mr. Fermin 75. Pass to number 7. And number 7 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 20. Harassed by number 22. Harassed by number 21. And check. Blocking foul. Blocking foul of number 21 of Gray. Second team foul. Number 30 shot to 3 points, no good. Labas na ang bola. Ang score, all 41. Napagandang laban ito, walang tulugan mamaya yan. Era. Pinasa na kay number 69. Hinaharas Mr. Fermin. Mr. Fermin, haras by 69. Wala mapasa. Pinasa kay number 21. Number 21, pass to number 7. Mr. Bulao, sa ilalim.
Uli.
Wala, foul by number 13. Warning for graduate number 13. Hindi pa naman. Kung pagka-graduate, wala ka na. Nice shot. 42-41. Number 30, Almuceda. Hindi dribbling. Pinasa ka number 22. Hindi na stats by number 69. 69. Expect pa rin number 30. Going to expect number 22. 22. Dribbling. Right. Number 30. Tandangan. Graduate number 30, Almuceda. 13 foul. 13 team foul. Lawan penalty. Number 22. Number 2. Back to the 69. Layup, no good. Rebound by who? Getting by number 7. Number 7, pass to number 20. Hinaras number 21. Inaalmano. Ayan na. Ginamitan na ng exhibition. Number 10 seconds shoot. Number 20, back to number 13. Try to 3-point line. No good. Rebound by number 45. 45, back to number 75. Try to shot. No good. Rebound by Simon. Last touch by number 69. Reps up. Fermin, inbound the ball. Pass to number 45. Mr. Castro. Mr. Castro back to Johnson. 45 again, the ball. Back to Mr. Fermin. Di makita. Mr. Fermin shot. No good. Rebound by number 20.
Uy, wala.
Block by Sebol. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Castro, pass to number 13, try to 3 points, no good. Rebound by number 25. Number 21. Number 2. Number 2, harassed by number 45. Back pass to number Mr. Bulatao. Shoot by Mr. Bulatao. Thompson again. Thompson. Pass to Mr. Permin. Permin tries to lay up. Shot by Mr. Permin. Nice shot by Mr. Permin. Number 25. Number 7.
Wow!
Good. Rebound by number 20. Layup shot. No good again. Rebound by Mr. Castro. Only 5. Of timeout Wings. Thompson inbound the ball. Pass to number 20. Harassed by number 21. Number 20. Dribbling. Try to left. No good. Rebound by number 2. Mr. Dunyo. Number 2. Pass to number 22. Pass to Mr. Bulatao. Number 7. Number 2. Dribbling. Harassed by number 45. Still by number 45. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pass to Mr. Fermin. Number 75. Harassed by number 7. Mr. Bulatao. And foul by Mr. Bulatao. Number 7. Oh. Warning for penalty. Dark green. 17 seconds to shoot. Mr. Johnson inbound the ball. Still by number 25. Pass to number 20 of the brain. Back to number 25. Try to left. No good. Rebound by number pass to number 22.
Saba!
Pa rin number 25. Shoot by number 25. There's a shoot. No good. By number 20. Rebound by Mr. Permin. Mr. Permin tries. Yes, up. No good. Rebound by number 7. Try to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 2. Number 45. Number 25. Shoot by 25. Time out. Orange. 9 seconds. And the last quarter. By number 20. Still, again by number 75 of Orange. Harassed by number 21. Pass to number 9. Tira na, Norman. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Pass break to number 10. Mr. Dunyo shot. One shot, Mr. Dunyo. Sabrep. Dali. Boss, pag naka-imbaw na, wala nang ano ha.
Pag magsasab, lalapit doon sa lamesa para madali.
Ano, technical referee. Technical committee. Nice kick naman Mr. Dunyo. 21. Pass to number 22, tinira. Shoot again by number 22. Alam na bukas. Alam na bukas. Alas 8 ka ang uwi mo bukas. Symbol, orange ball. Okay, sige, balik na. Time out. Mr. Paer, Dagre. Mahaba pang oras, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Nothing impossible. Tatlong 3 points lang yan ni Mr. Chongson. Number 45, pass number 13. Number 45, 3 points. No good.
Isa pa.
Mr. 45 again, try again. No good
Isa
again.
pa.
Mr. 45, rebound. Loose ball. Same ball.
Wala.
10 seconds shoot. Oh, still by number 12. Number 2, Dagre. Pass to number 21. Nasobra ng pasa. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Score 54-43. Number 7. Number 7. Still by number 22. Number 22 still by number 45. Yeah, pinasa. Nice shoot pa rin. Yan na, single joker. Single joker, tira. Shoot by number 7.
Baba mo.
Foul, rep, 21. Okay. Penalty. Actually, is act of shooting in the shaded area. First try, no good. Second try. No good. Rebound by Mr. Tuño. Pass to Mr. Polato. Number 2. Ibinababa ang bola. Pinasa ka number 22. Number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Still by Mr. Firmin. No foul. Broadway. Bye-bye, number 22. Time out. Pared. Pasok ka na, boss. Okay, back to the ball game. Last 36 seconds. Ayun na. Madi-default kayo. Lamang kayo, madi-default pa kayo. Madi-default pag Dark Ray, ayaw magpas ng tao. Ten seconds to shoot. 80 seconds in the last quarter. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number, last touch by number 25. 11 seconds in the last quarter. Pass break by Mr. Permin. Tira mo dyan. 5 points yan. Basit mo yan, baka yan ang makapasok sa inyo. Potion point yan. Magaling naman pala. May kakapal tiga Laguna yan. Dalawa. Magaling naman.
Na-stop pa.
5 seconds. 6 seconds to shoot. Okay, tabla. Tabla, pahay kayo. Gray, tabla. Okay ba? Pakiperma lang, mga kapatid. Huwag yun ang dagdagan. Okay, 54-47.